Welcome, everyone. My name is Kai, and I love to explore life through solo travel, camping, and hiking and overall well being. This channel is a way for me to document my explorations and share pieces of it with you. I travel by plane, train, ship, or automobile. And I started this journey in a very small vehicle until it broke down in the state of Alabama. But now I travel in my Jeep Cherokee, and I would love for you to subscribe and become an explorer with me. Today, I am so burnt out from the previous work week. And I realized that I do not want to be outdoors in the heat after I had the week that I had. I don't want anything else to make me feel miserable. So what I'm showing y'all today is just some casual things that I do in between explorations. And that's just going to the park, enjoying a little time before I become overly hot, because it's me trying to decompress from the day, from the week, from the prior week. And I'm wondering, what do you do to decompress? I know that I needed to get outdoors, but because being outdoors helps me to decompress. Finally, I get to this little location, and I'm here by myself. Usually when I come here, there's always a lot of people over at this little spot. I do want to watch my back though, because I don't know if they might be up to something. This is a great fishing spot for those who enjoy fishing. Looks like there may be a trail down there. I'm not sure about it because I've never been. Hi, y'all. They're like, great, another human. Hey, y'all. Some of you may not have been aware that a long time ago when I used to do YouTube videos, my mother also did YouTube videos. And I'm gonna link one of her videos down below so you can see her. And the thing about it is, when she was doing YouTube videos, she wasn't doing the videos for any other reason except to share the word. So she would read scriptures and she would share that on YouTube. And it's so nice to be able to go back and look at my mother reading the scriptures, because it makes me feel like she's close by. She's in my heart, so that part I don't have to worry about. But it is so nice to kind of see how she experienced YouTube. And to be honest with you, she did not know a lot about technology at that point. She had just been given a free computer after taking a class, because she was a senior. And so they had senior classes to show people how to use a computer. And then she learned how to use YouTube back then. That was like 2010. I think it was 2010 or 2011. She passed away in 2012. When my mom died, I stopped YouTube. And that's one thing I think people want to keep in mind, that people that are on YouTube or that are considered content creators, they are just people. And when they share pieces of their life, there's always going to be a piece. There may be a piece that they share that is heartbreaking. Those who were following me at the time when I had my YouTube channel back then, they became close to my mom. They just really liked my mom as much as, I enjoyed her, especially her channel. And when she died, they got to watch me go through that, basically, watch part of what I went through. And then I stopped YouTube altogether for a while, and I didn't pick it back up for years. So that's why I said that I like trying to create a community, because what I share is for the purpose of letting people take a peek into my life. And when we engage with one another in the comments, it's helpful if you understand a little bit about who you're following and who you're subscribed to. So that's just a little piece of me that I'm sharing with y'all. There is a walking trail just over there. I didn't even see those geese leave. Are they geese? What are you? I don't even know what you call them. And if I figure it out, I'll put it as a title. I definitely don't want to track any of this red clay in my car. Oh. No longer alone. Time to go. I got errands to run anyway. How pretty. If you know what those are, let me know in the comments. Just random flowers growing out of this. It's really hot out today, but I don't really feel that because, I got my fan right there blowing. I just drove past someone who was at the park, and they were parked on the road, but they were in a van, and they had a dog in there, very small dog. It looked like a Jack Russell. They were slumped over the steering wheel as if they were just like hot and over it. They were moving, so I didn't see that there was a problem in that way, because when I first pulled in, they were, setting up over there, and then they have their windows covered. But it just had me thinking about how there are some people that may be doing van life because they don't have any other means of supporting themselves in a home, or maybe they don't want to be in a home. I don't know. I don't know the story, but you can tell by the van and what I could see that, their life might be a little difficult. And for those who are forced to be in a van, because they don't have the means, for them, my hope is that they are blessed with whatever it is that they desire to have, because it's summertime, and the summertime is no joke. Well, any season that goes to an extreme is difficult for anybody. And so during the summer times, it's just heartbreaking sometimes to see. I just needed to say that. I'm always super satisfied after I have come out of the house, even if it's for a brief amount of time, and go back home after I've ran all of my errands and went to the park and, just did a little walk, even if it's a short walk. But I feel so satisfied by the time I get back in the house that I actually got out of the house. Y'all, that little bit of stuff out of Publix came to $80.31. Did y'all know? And I thought that there was no tax on food, but you get sales tax and then you get a food tax. What is that about? And before you ask, the reason that I actually even bother to shop at Publix sometimes is because they have certain brands of things that I can't get somewhere else without ordering it online, and it just tastes better. Sometimes I will spend the money to get exactly what I want. I don't know if y'all are familiar with a YouTube channel, and her name is Tracy, and her channel is Liberty Serenity. Oh my goodness. She made a seafood salad without meat, non-meat. What is it? Anyway, she made a seafood salad that didn't include any meat, and it looked so yummy that I figured I would try that recipe out. So, all right, Liberty Serenity, here's to you. I hope it tastes as good as you made yours. Oh, here are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my meatless lobster salad that I got from Liberty Serenity. I chop up some green peppers and chop them up as fine as I can. I then chop up some onions to put in there, but you can also use red peppers as well. It's up to you. Chop those up really fine. Then I use hearts of palm, and I've never tried this before, but it has a texture like imitation meat. I put in onion powder and garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning. The Old Bay seasoning is what really gives it the best taste, but you can use any seasonings that you like. I put in parsley, mayo. You can use plant-based mayo. I use Slap Your Mama seasoning, capers, and I've never had capers before, so that was a first. And then I mix in the onions and the green peppers, and I give that baby a stir. And it's like, to me, I think if you mix this up really well and then let it chill in the refrigerator, it's even better. I put in smoked paprika as well. I kind of forgot that before. And I use sourdough bread and I toast that and then just put that stuff right there on that there bread. Oh my gosh. Tasty, tasty. You can also put it over a salad, however you prefer to eat it. And now, time to taste it. Yum, yum, give me some. Tasty, tasty. Yes, it is. I never had hearts of palm, but the texture of this, that imitation crab meat. So that's what it reminds me of when I eat it. But I don't see a difference. I can't taste the difference because of the seasonings. So if you've never tried hearts of palm, hey, it's a good source of what, protein or something. I read something about it before I ate it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me on this lazy day. And it was actually 2 days, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I thank all of those who have subscribed to my channel. I love having you here with me. Thanks to the old subscribers, my new subscribers, and I hope if you're not subscribed that you will subscribe to my channel and come back and see me again. In the meantime, everyone, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.